You've been told inflammation is bad. But what if inflammation is the reason you heal at all? Inflammation is one of the most misunderstood processes in the human body. It's blamed for pain, disease, and aging. But by the end of this video, you'll understand what inflammation really is, when it helps you, and when it quietly causes harm. Inflammation is not a disease. It's a biological response. When tissue is injured or threatened, your immune system sends blood, fluid, and immune cells to the area. That's why the area becomes red, warm, swollen, and painful. These signs mean your body is working. Acute inflammation is short-term. It starts fast, and it ends once healing begins. A cut heals, a muscle recovers, an infection clears. This type of inflammation protects you. Without it, wounds wouldn't close, and infections would spread. But inflammation has another side. Chronic inflammation is different. It doesn't turn off. Low-level inflammation can last for months or even years without obvious symptoms. Over time, it damages healthy tissue and increases the risk of serious disease. Heart disease, diabetes, joint damage. Chronic inflammation isn't caused by one thing: poor sleep, long-term stress, processed foods, lack of movement. Even untreated infections and ongoing injuries can keep inflammation active. For many people, it's lifestyle-driven. Here's the key difference. Inflammation itself isn't the enemy. Lack of balance is. Stopping inflammation completely would be dangerous, but letting it run unchecked is harmful. Healing requires control, not elimination. Anti-inflammatory medicines can help, but they don't fix the cause. Long-term control comes from sleep, nutrition, movement, and managing stress. Medication supports healing, lifestyle sustains it. Inflammation is your body's repair system, but like any system, it needs limits. Understanding when inflammation helps and when it harms is the key to long-term health. Subscribe for more medical facts explained simply, and watch the next episode to learn what supplements actually work and which don't.